Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you all about the Steadfast Haven gas and carbon monoxide detector. So this thing is pretty awesome. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and I'm going to show you what you get in this kit. So as we unbox this, everything is packaged perfectly. It's going to show up to you just like this, and you can actually just remove this and we have a sleek, nice, beautiful design. So on this actual detector, guys, it's going to be amazing because not only does this detect carbon monoxide, but it also detects gas. This has an 85 decibel alarm system, so if this does detect anything over the limit, it will go off and be very, very loud, and it's going to wake you from your sleep, and that's the whole purpose of this, to let you know. We are going to have a very nice self-test function, which I do love, just to make sure everything is operating. And as you can see on the side, we're going to have the vents going all the way up and down, so it's going to be able to really pick up and detect any kind of air quality issue. Going to have some on the bottom, and this is also going to tell you your temperature and your humidity level. So this is really nice because it works with a 110 volt outlet, just like you're going to have in your home. This is a regular outlet, but as you press this button here and turn it to the side, you can actually use this in a 240 outlet as well. So I'm going to put that back on because I'm going to be using this with a 110. Now let's go ahead and plug this in and see how simple and easy this is to use. Now it's also going to be a great idea to use one of these on every level in your home. So for me, I'm going to put one in my basement, in the hallway of my bedroom, my kitchen near the stove, and then also one upstairs in the hallway of the bedrooms. And that's going to ensure that my entire home is going to be covered and protected. So all I'm going to do is just take this and plug it right into my outlet.
Welcome to use voice gas and carbon monoxide compound detector.
So as this fires on, everything is going to run through all of the different settings, and it's going to be doing a self-check, and this is very important. And as you can see on the top, we're going to have the temperature level of the home, so that is going to be 68. It's still adjusting a little bit, and then we're also going to have the humidity levels right here. This is going to be the carbon monoxide level, and that is going to fluctuate and go to the level that it's going to be currently at, but it does have to adjust when you first put it in. So as you can see, the ppm is dropping right now, and it is going to go to the exact number that it is at. So right now I'm just letting it run its course. Okay, so now that ran through the full course, it is going to show that my ppm is at 0. So obviously that is exactly what I want, and this is actually going to give me a real-time look in the home. So normally if you have one that's going to be hardwired in your home, you may not get an actual level reading of a percentage or a number. You're going to have to make sure that that is still working, and usually those will last about 5 to 7 years before they need replaced. And those are going to be run off of electrical. So I have a 66-degree Fahrenheit in the home, which is accurate, and a 47% humidity, and our ppm is at 0, and our gas levels are at a 0%, which is fantastic. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do the self-test. So as you can hear that is 85 decibels of an alarm sound. So that is definitely going to alert you in your home, whether you have some music on in your home, or you're cooking, or maybe you're sleeping. That is going to wake you up and let you know before a problem arises. So most other detectors are actually not going to go off and alert you until 70 ppm. At that point, you're already exposed to carbon monoxide for hours. The Steadfast carbon monoxide detector will actually go off at 30 ppm before it's too late. At that point, you'll already be out of the house for hours and safe. So not only does this detect carbon monoxide, but I love it because it also detects gas leaks and propane. That's going to be another bonus that your carbon monoxide detector may not have, and Steadfast checks that box. Another thing that I love is this actually has a real-time digital display. So all you have to do is walk up to it and you can see your ppm, you can even see the temperature of the home per the room that you're in, and you can also see the humidity level. What other unit is going to do that for you? And that is why I love Steadfast. Now I'm going to give you guys a couple facts, and this is not to scare you, but this is just to enlighten you on why this product is so useful. So there are over 100,000 ER visits every single year, and there's over 400 plus families that die every single year from not knowing that their house is filled with carbon monoxide. And a product like this would let you know well before you'd have any issues. With this simple, easy installation and over 80,000 five-star reviews, this is definitely a must-have for your home. So I ended up getting 4 of these myself. I have one of them already set up that I just showed you, and I'm so excited to set the rest of these up. I'm gonna be putting one in my basement, one next to my stove in my kitchen, and then also upstairs between my bedrooms. And most homes are gonna need about 4 to 6 to have full coverage. And the best part is these units actually have a lifetime warranty. So if this fails in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, the company is gonna honor that product and you're gonna get a full replacement for free. Now that is a company that I can trust. If you're like me and you value safety in your home, then this is definitely a product that I recommend. You're gonna be able to have full coverage, peace of mind, and a real-time digital display, and you can always hit the test button just to make sure the alarm is working and everything is functioning properly. These are absolute must-have for your home. Stay protected. Make sure you pick one up. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description if you guys wanna check this out for yourself. And again, most homes are gonna need about 4 to 6 units in order to have full coverage. But this is a no-brainer for me. Definitely get yourself covered. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.